I have been making my own laundry detergent for the past couple of years now, and I have tried multiple recipes. This recipe that I'm going to show you is by far the absolute simplest recipe. You're going to need a funnel. You're going to measure out 1/4 cup borax powder, and you're going to put your borax. Then we are going to do 1/4 cup washing soda. Again, we're going to put in our empty gallon. Hot water. Ready? Mix this up so it's completely dissolved. Dr. Bronner's peppermint castile soap. You're going to take 1/4 cup, 15 drops of peppermint. Fill it up about halfway with hot water. Then you're just going to mix. You'll let all of the suds settle down, and then when they do, fill the rest of the bottle up with cold water up to about here.